Well, hello, YouTube channel for N7LGN Radio Club. This is David, N7MKY, with a follow-up video on DroidStar. Most people have been having issues with using DroidStar since the latest update when you get the following error when trying to connect to a reflector. No vocoder found. Well, here's the fix. If you go to your About tab, you will see on the third line your architecture. Mine is ARM64. Under Settings, you need to put in a URL to download a valid vocoder for your phone. Vocoders can be found at the following URL at pizzaandbeer.net/plugins. You'll need to type the rest of the information in to actually download the file. Since I checked mine and mine is ARM64, I will be typing in vocoder_plugin.ios.arm64. I've taken the liberty to actually put that in a notepad and actually paste it in the URL box. When you're typing it in, be sure that you're accurately typing it in because autocorrect will really mess things up for you. But once you have it in there, simply download the vocoder. After clicking OK, you can check your log and see that it was actually downloaded on the last line. And when you go back to your main screen and connect, you'll now see you do not get the error anymore, and you can now talk. Hopefully this helps everybody. Everybody had a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Hopefully we'll have some more videos for you shortly, and thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. This is N7MKY for N7LGN Radio Club. Thanks for watching.